how to insert sheet in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to teach you how to add sheets in Excel in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. So on the very bottom, you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you go. It's as simple as that to add a sheet. You can just keep on tapping on plus, and more sheets will keep on adding to your Excel. Now, you can even rename it by just tapping on the sheet. Just double tap on it, and then you can put whatever name that you want and hit enter. You can do the same for other sheets. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.